What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use custom teams in franchise mode of Madden NFL 26. If you're trying to bring a custom team into franchise mode, the first thing you'll want to do is actually grab the team itself. So head over to the creation center and open up the download center. You'll usually see a bunch of community made teams show up right away. Pick the one you like. I'll go with this one and let it download. Once that's done, back out and make your way into franchise mode so you can start up a new league. Now here's something a lot of people miss. This only works if you choose an online league, either solo or multiplayer. If you try doing it offline, it just won't load the custom team at all. After you choose the online option, you'll get a prompt to select a roster file. Just wait a moment while it imports everything. When the team selection screen comes up, pick the team you wanna swap out. Say I'm replacing the New York Giants. Once I'm on that team, I need to hit square on PlayStation or X if you're on Xbox. That pull ups your downloaded teams. Choose the one you grabbed earlier. Confirm that you wanna use the team builder roster and it will slot right in. From there, just continue setting things up the way you want and you're good to go. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.